Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your Yidio's watch list. Keep watching the video till the end. To remove your watch list on Yidio, firstly go ahead and launch open your Yidio application. The homepage of Yidio application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top right side of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Watchlist. The added watch list will appear on the screen. Now to remove your Yidio watch list, tap on green icon right below the watch list that you want to remove. It will remove your watch list in no time. This is how you can remove your watch list on Yidio's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.